Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore ka khot admission nagmenta ka nursing but paramedical course ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council ka buy admission ka badunatam but she's pa percent ka jinyokam pila ru ban apply da ka education loan
Kamukam College Long kakot admission haki degree but diploma course panong chef hotelier but kiway pandep kapmania fila pan call haki niki number
State Working President jaga Seng National People's Party Marcus N Marak uliat hu babuang ginangalam na kiway pat kiseng san perthai kibla pha brio banyak keren bagi ginangalam ke NPP bagi Kwah ban penyeso no yala dia jaga Seng NPP pat ya gani kizashim ya karai hakapor kababiang Marcus uloong biya benta umat Kwah ban ong menu kita ginangalam Henry unsakaran hakapor kababiang uliat hu bakadaw bagi bun ki Kwah ban wanya so NPP namar bagi Ïapmat yikam jo midirang ba ke jelau Conrad ki sangma kamtam ke jingkloi ban wanra yikam pendroi hakal ki benta jong ke jella
We had a very good meeting in Rung constituency at the residence of our local MLA Mr. Jim M. Sangma where we have welcomed Sri Segnam M. Mara, former MLA of Rung and also Mr. Francis Pondit R. Sangma, who was MLA of former MLA of Mautingkut constituency and then now Motion Road constituency, along with around 300, more than 300 supporters of Segnam M. Mara from Rung area. It was a very good moment yesterday for NPP party. Yesterday, while we were welcoming them, we had a program there, and Mr. Segnam Marak was speaking there for the gathering there, and he was speaking to the huge gathering and to his supporters as well. The point that he was in the politics, and for the reason why he was in the politics, he was talking about that points. Number one was that every politicians, he was mentioning that they join politics, they contest the elections to bring developmental activities to the constituencies, respective constituencies. During his tenure as an MLA, he also tried, he told us, but never in the history of the Meghalaya and Garo Hills, they have not seen such kind of a development. The way Mr. Conrad Sangma's government is doing the development in Garo Hills. So that was the point that they mentioned out, and the way they handle the people, the way the developments are coming in, the way the recruitment for every vacant force are conducting, it's very transparent, it's very impressive. So that is the reason why they joined in the National People's Party in Garo Hills. Yes, they are very happy to see so many activities now, and the growth of development, the growth of kind of institutions coming up in the districts and in Garo Hills, and the challenges like climate change challenges are also being met by the government. These issues are being tackled so meticulously by the government of Meghalaya under the leadership of Conrad K. Sangma. That are the point that they mentioned during the joining of the party there. But yes, there are feelers, but at the right moment only we will be disclosing all this thing. I, as a working president of the NPP in charge of Garo Hills, I have already announced yesterday that I'll be having a district meeting in every district, and I'll be meeting all the party leaders in all the districts, where I have been informed that so many former leaders who were associated with different political parties, they wanted to join with us and they'll be part of our NPP family.